Okay, so here we're going to demonstrate the operational abilities of the Top Race TR213, like the Huina loader, same machine. It's a pretty quick machine, except for the turning. It's freakishly slow. And non-proportional, even on the throttle. And as you can see, once you get the bucket tipped, it struggles a little bit, but it needs more height. That's where it stops. So it's fine for getting over the dump truck, but then when you go to dump, you're hooked. So you got to manipulate the load too. It is a nice, powerful machine. It's all-wheel drive. You get some nice big loads out of it. Add another 2 inches or so on the, see, I have to come up with a bit of the load. And that non-proportional drive can throw you off a little bit too. I mean, that moving the stick as slow as I can, and then contact. It's almost like on or off. Not the worst thing, it still works. But now if you're going to solve the problem of the dump truck and not getting the load, you need to elevate. So you can either dig down and get the truck lower than the machine, or you can build a ramp to bring the dozer up above, or the loader up above the load. I think the slow turning is probably the most aggravating of any of it. That drive gets a little crazy too. And maybe the new machines, oh, look at that. See, now that's some power right there. Hopefully you can see it. Let me see where we're at on the video here. Yeah, so look, it's got some power. I'm lifting the whole machine up because I'm stuck on a root or something. So it has some power. That's probably 8-pound machine. So it's pretty impressive. And you get used to running it. It's been a while since I've run this particular little machine. There you go, nice full load right there. But I gotta go dump my dump truck. And so we can leave a little loading dock, which is not a problem. I mean, they do this kind of stuff for machines in full scale as well. It would be nicer if that loader's arms lifted a little bit higher, so you wouldn't have to, but yeah, you do what you got to do to have the most fun. And make things work. I will probably get stuck on that rock. Let's see. Oh, she broke loose. Woohoo! Because see, for the screener that I built for my other hydraulic machine, I also had to build that ramp, just so I could get more screening area. That's where I usually have it set up. Put my cheater rock in so I can keep my traction. Get up this rough little hill. Ugh, stuck. Try this one. There we go. Full speed ahead. Turn. Tell you what, those hard wheels, no suspension, makes maneuvering this guy not so easy. We'll call that good. You can hear the frustration in my voice, the sometimes because of the slowness of the turn. It's nice that it's articulating. It's nice that it's all-wheel drive. It's got a good weight to it. Few little flaws, but it's not going to stop you from having fun.